Students of BSc Part 1 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Students of BSc Part 1, I will teach you today about the title I have mentioned on the blackboard, the kinetics for second order of reactions, which is selected from BSc Part 1, chosen from Unit 5th, titled as that is the chemical kinetics, selected from Paper 3 Physical Chemistry. Students of BSc Part 1, before discussions of today's lecture, the kinetics for second order of reaction, once again I repeat the necessary fundamental postulates, scientific equations, rules and regulations, theory based on our previous video, last video, chemical kinetics, in which we were deriving the kinetics for zeroth order and first order based upon 4 or 5 points which were expressed as in which the first postulates was mainly concerned to the derivation of rate law or rate equations. In rate law and rate equations, we have derived the necessarily rate equation in terms of differential rate equation, integral rate equations, and we have completed the first postulate. Next one postulate was mainly concerned to calculate the value of half-life period. Third one postulate was related to that is of graphical representation. Furthermore, the postulate was related to that is of calculation of Wilhelm equations. Next one to calculate the value of dimension and unit for zeroth and first order of reaction under and by means of the chemical kinetics in our first order and zeroth order in the similar manner. Now I will teach you about the kinetics of second order of reaction under two cases. First one cases in which all the reactants are present in the same concentration, or the reactants we are using here are the same in nature. And case 2, in our previous video we have defined in terms of second order of reaction in which the reactants and their concentrations are present in different concentration. But today is the first time it is the turn to derive the kinetics for case 1 in which we are taking the concentration of the same concentration of both of the reactants A and A to produce that is of products here, in which in order to derive the rate equation and rate law for such second order reaction in which all the reactants we are using the concentration at the same, in which A plus A to produce that is the product, we use T is equals to 0 initially A mole per liter and A mole per liter to produce that is of 0 concentration of that is of the product. In at a specific timing T is equals to T, X degree of dissociation is dissociated first reactant A, in similar X to dissociate the next reactant A to produce that is of twice mole of X. And on applying the fundamental, the Woodworth and Bargai's laws, in which we have derived that is of this one equation I have mentioned on the blackboard, dx upon dt is equals to K2 A minus x square in terms of that is of differential rate equation for case 1 in which both of the reactants which we are using are the same in nature or the concentration are the same. And on integral, by applying the mathematical integral phenomena that is of concept mathematical operation, and by knowing by calculation of integral constant. Next one, achievement for second order of reaction, we derived K2 is equals to 1 upon T x upon A into A minus x in terms of that is of integral rate equations here. Students of BSc Part 1, In overall BSc Part 1, it's as per concerning of the examination as well as various competitive examinations based on general awareness, engineering and medical science. The overall, that is of these competitive examinations based on equation number 5 set the various numerical and theoretical problems here. So students of BSc Part 1, equation number 5 gives us the necessarily fundamental postulate equation knowledge awareness for the kinetics for second order of reaction, and equation number 5 is the second achievement we have derived here, integral rate equation in terms of that is of integral, that is of that equation here. Now next on the postulate, it is the turn to plot the graphical representation here. Third one postulate, now I will teach you today the graphical representation. The major problems surround in students by two main. First one, the major problem for second order of reaction, for such second order of reaction of case 1, in which quantity graphical representation will be taken into account here. Second one, that what is the shape and size of such, that is of second order of reaction, shape and size. What is the shape and size for such second order of the reaction? So obviously it is very easy to plot. Now let us start from question number 4, and we arrange and we set in terms of that is of 1 upon a minus x is equals to k2t plus 1 upon a. This equation number, now we said we compare standard straight line equation y is equals to mx plus c, in which y is equals to that is of 1 upon a minus x, m is equals to that is of a slope that is of k2. This slope m is equals to that is of k2. That is next one, x that is of t, and intercept c is equals to that is of 1 upon a. Once again, when we compare the integral rate equation of second order of reaction with that is of standard straight line equation of y is equals to mx plus c. Obviously, after the screening, after the separation of these quantities, standardized equation y is equals to that is of 1 upon a minus x, and c is equals to that is of intercept 1 upon a, and x is equals to that is of t. So first problem now solved here. When graph is plotted between that is of y is equals to, here I have mentioned on the blackboard, graphical representation of y is equals to 1 upon a minus x as an ordinate, and x is equals to t as an abscissa. So a straight line having the intercept c is equals to 1 upon u is now obtained here, and by select any 2 points, calculate the value of slope in terms of that is of k2. So third postulate now is solved here. Once again, I repeat, in which quantity graphical representation will be taken into account. The graphical representation will be taken into account, or in other words, the graph will be plotted between y is equals to 1 upon a minus x as an ordinate, and x is equals to that is of t as an that is of abscissa. In such a position, a tangent is now obtained here, having the by cut the intercept c is equals to 1 upon a. Now next one, it is the next one problem to discuss the kinetic to solve that is of a numerical problem based on second order of reaction. I have mentioned such important numerical, I have chosen such important numerical, the numerical I have mentioned on the blackboard here, I have written on the blackboard. This numerical ask set in a way that is of a competitive examination here. Let us try to read and to solve the numerical based on that is of case 1 for second order reaction, in which all the reactants are taken as that is of the same condition or the concentration which we are using in the same concentration here. A second order reactions in which A is equals to B is completed, that is of 20% with that is of 500 second. The calculate it's that is of rate constant. Once again I read the numerical 1, a second order reaction in which A is equals to B is completed 20% within that is of 500 seconds. Now calculate it's that is of rate constant here. Let us try to solve this numerically here. Now let us separate the given quantity here. T is equals to 500 seconds, and that is of 20% means x is equals to 20 and a is equals to that is of 100. Now from using that is of standard integral rate equation, Let us pick from that is of equation number 5 here. Now put all these value in equation number 5. K2 is equal to 1 upon t. T denotes here timing here. X denotes here that is of degree of dissociation here. A into that is of A minus X here. Here K2 is equal to 1 upon, now substitute here. T denote here timing, T is equal to, now substitute, we put down here. T is equal to 500 second, X is equal to 20 upon 100. Next one that is of A minus X. A is the initial concentration of the reactant. So A is equal to 100, next one minus that is of X, that is of denoted degree of dissociation. 20 after solving, K2 is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is our final answer here. Students of basic part 1, once again I read the fundamental numerical I have selected here, in which once again I read numerical 1, a second order reaction in which A is equal to B is completed 20% within 500 seconds. The calculate its that is of rate constant here. In numerical it has been given that the reaction is second order of reaction of case 1. All the reactants are present and their concentration are present the same. So obviously this one equation number 5 will be used here. Now we choose the given quantities. A, T is equal to 500 second, X is equal to 20 and A is equal to initial concentration 100. All these quantities now we put down into A, that is the equation number 5 on solving. That is a K2 is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. So these were the overall postulates, theory points under the kinetics of second order reactions we have discussed, delivered in the classroom here. Now it is the turn to discuss next one case 2, in which the kinetics of second order reaction, in which reactants which we are using or their concentration are that is of present in different conditions here, or in other words different concentration of second order of reactions are used, then what will be the value of or in other words we can say how the rate equation or rate law will be derived here. The students of BSc part 1, a general example for case second when the concentration are that is of different here or different reactants are used. Here A plus B different that is of reactants we are using here to produce here that is the product here, in which at initial timing T is equal to 0, A possesses initial A mole per liter its concentration, and for the distinction B denote here the concentration B mole per liter at initial T is equal to T0 timing product to have that is of 0 value or 0 concentration is formed for that is of this one second order such cases equations here. Next one at instantaneous timing here or in other words we can say at T is equal to T timing here, X degree of dissociation is now dissociated, and next one similarly X next one from that is of B is dissociated to form that is of twice X. So now the similar method as we have used in our previous postulates for the derivation of zero order or first order, and on applying the good work on Bagé's law, the law of mass action, finally the equation for such cases. Now we will derive here differential rate equation. Dx upon dt is equal to K2 into A minus X that into that is of B minus X. First achievement in different concentration or different reactants are used for second order of reaction. The value of differential rate equation is now derived from equation number 1. Now the similar method will be used here as we have derived in our previous that is of rate equations zeroth and first order, that is on solving in equation number 1. Next one K2 is equal to 2.303 divisible by that is of T into A minus X and multiplication log b into a minus x upon a into b minus x. Equation number 2 is known as integral z equation for case second, when reactants are present in different concentration or different reactants are used here. Once again, try to understand the second order of reaction here, that is of we are using here different reactants here, their concentration are present here in different way. A, B, react is equals to 0, A minus x, B minus x to produce twice x. Now using the law of mass action, one can calculate the value of dx upon dt is equals to k2 into A minus x into B minus x in the form of, that is of differential rate equation. Now on integral equation number 1 and solving a similar previous method, one can solve the value of k2 is equals to 2.303 upon 2 into A minus x into log b into A minus x upon A into a B minus x, said that is of equation number 2 integral rate equation here. Students of basic part 1, with this last derivation kinetics topics for second order of reaction. Now this unit 5th is now completed. Now I shall be available to deliver the next unit, unit 2nd, titled as gaseous state, including the real gas and ideal gas and its characteristics, fundamental properties. I will deliver, I will teach you in coming timing. I mean tomorrow. Now till now, let me allow to me to join you tomorrow. Now you take care. Till then, thank you very much.